Hi friends, today I am gonna show you how to download hacked Subway Surfers. First you have to open your Chrome and enter Android 1. The first one you have to click, and in this box search Subway Surfers and click on search, and here is the first, and scroll down. Here is the link and click on it. Here it came. Click on download. I have already downloaded, so I reject it and install it. Now install it and open Subway Surfers. See friends, see it's hacked. It's hacked friends. Thank you for watching. Subscribe.